So what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. Back with another video as usual, man. Giving y'all the good content. If you are new to the channel, man, make sure you like, share this video, smash the subscribe button as well. Turn on all post notifications as well, man. What we doing today? We about to clean this engine bay. We're gonna use some super clean. We're gonna use some quick detail. That's all we're using, and a couple rags. That's pretty much it. So let's get it done, man.
Yeah, ayy, my homie got rich in the trap. I know that he's thinking I'm mad. When he dials my number, he says that he going where I don't, and I won't hit him back. One day I did hit him back. One day I did hit him back. Told him that crazy is black, and I told him to keep all the loss. And I'm coming back. But my homie, he stuck.
Hard body, hard body, hard body.
This red beat. Sean Bentley. Sean Bentley. Sean Bentley.
Listening to a Monta production. Listening to a Monta production. To a Monta production.
So that's gonna make it a wrap for this video. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section below. I think I could have did a better job, man. At the end of the video, towards the end, I show y'all like the what's it called, the intake where the little cracks at. That's the only thing I've seen that I did fuck up on. Not necessarily fucked up on. I thought I cleaned it, but I didn't. So other than that, man, it's the only thing I've seen pretty much wrong. Sorry I didn't give y'all an actual. It's a before shot in the beginning, but I already sprayed it. And I wasn't even thinking about. I was like, damn, I should have did that. But y'all see how dirty it was. This is real dirty. But other than that, man, let me know what y'all think down in the comments section below. Make sure you like and share this video. Smash that subscribe button as well. And also turn on all post notifications to be notified every time I post a video. So better my profit and I'm out.